What's going on, guys? We're back again. Another video. We're back.
The consistency's crazy.
I'm fucking with you. And I want to thank you guys. First things first, I want to thank you guys for 200 subs. It's 218 we're at right now, but 200 subs was a big milestone. We're looking to get 500 and then 1,000 and 10,000 and then fucking million. I keep hitting that subscribe button. I love it. I love it.
The last video, guys.
And you guys keep commenting. We love the comments. I try to respond to every single one. I think I do. If I don't, keep spamming me in the comments and I'll respond. And also get on our Instagram and TikTok, dropping that in the description and on the screen here. But today we're on a journey. Right now we're in like in the middle of Virginia somewhere. We're heading south to go look at possibly a new car. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should. Like, again, it's right here.
All of our Instagrams will be in the description.
Yeah. You would know if you follow me on Instagram that I sold the Honda and the Volvo. So that's a sad story. They're both gone. But, you know, you got to sell some stuff, move on, get into new stuff. Oh, if you've known me for a long time, you've known that I've been trying to get a drift car. And finally, I found one that possibly could be a thing, you know. So I'm going to go check it out, see what the car's about, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated.
Good morning. Yo.
So we're here in North Carolina
Somewhere
with the
in the
pups.
middle of nowhere. We arrived to our location. Josh is currently on a drive.
Yes, he is with the Z. It's pretty cool. It's blue. We're gonna change
Bluish
the color.
purple, kind of weird color.
We're gonna change the color.
Like 285s all around. Thing doesn't slip and slide yet, but it will.
Then it needs skinnier tires to do the ting. You know what I'm saying?
It's pretty clean though. I can't lie.
It's loud. It's got a little exhaust. It's got the trumpets. You know, the little.
All right, guys. We'll see y'all in the next clip. Now, where's the trumpet of that VQ? Oh, there it is. Coming in. Some nice clips of her.
I just went on the ride in the car, as Josh just showed you. Solid car. On my way to the bank, going to get cash, because never go to these meetings these days with money, because most of the time you're not going to buy it. Yeah, so we're going to get the money and give the guy the money for the 2008
They have a dog on their license plate.
ZHR. Yeah, there's a bunch of custom plates in North Carolina. They're pretty cool. So if you live in North Carolina, W plates.
Guys,
Gotta update the people.
we got the car. Josh got the car. They're doing all the official stuff over there now. We got the car. Josh will go into more detail about his car when he's back out. All good.
He did it for you guys.
For you guys.
The people.
And we give it back to you, the people.
For our people. And here she comes. See if you can get it up first try. Let's see if you can get it up first try. I think you need the wood. Wait, just need the wood. You need the wood. Just wait. Mission failed, but successfully, guys. We have to hit up a hardware store, but he's letting me drive the Z. I get to drive a Z. Wish me luck. That's what I was looking for. That's how it goes into reverse.
My shifter's insane, isn't it?
Bro, this is, I like it. It has a like, the catch point is like dumb
Super high, like my Honda. It
Yeah,
felt like
dumb
my Honda. I was
high.
like, oh, this is like my Honda.
But it's not hard.
Yeah.
It's not hard. Like,
I like it.
it's super nice. I like it. I like the interior. I didn't like the pedals feel far away though.
Well, I just did that. I'm tall as shit. I had to
Well, yeah, I get that, but like I feel like I moved it like
up.
all the way up. Clean car, guys. Clean car. I didn't get to drive the Z, but no worries. It was a fun drive. It was a fun drive. We pulled up to his house. We had, he's gonna see if we have some planks of wood so we can get the Z up because it was just a little too low. But he says, came over to his house and look at this. That's an S2K, he said, and he has a EK, I think he said, back over here, a red EK. Alright, this thing.
That's thick tire right there.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, snap.
Yeah.
Honda boys. Haha. We like our JDM around here. Haha, we got the hood pop.
23.
Which one?
823
Nice, nice.
with a top R trend.
That's
B series.
sick. D series.
B series.
B series. Okay, okay.
They had a plate for them.
Nah, that's awesome. That's so cool. And what do you got going on with the S2K?
That's my brother in the military.
Ah, okay.
I got some wood. Some wood.
Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Right there, right there, right. Yikes! Y'all see that? Y'all see that? You know what that is? It's a drift car. It's a drift car. How you feel? How you feel?
Me?
Nah.
I feel alright. I feel good.
All right. He just bought a car and he's not happy about it, guys.
Well, I scraped the bumper trying to get it on the trailer. So
It's okay. They'll see that too.
You got that on video?
I got that on video. Right there, right there. Yikes. Drop the bag, heading back. Another 7.5 hours to go. We'll be back at 10 o'clock at night. And we left at 2 in the morning. So we get a chance, maybe we'll stop, or once we get home, we'll get a closer look at the car and more in depth of how Josh feels, because maybe he'll finally figure out that he's happy that he got a car.
I'm happy.
Yeah, totally. All right, guys. See you guys.
The next day.
Forgot to tell you guys, got a spare set of the stock wheels with the Z. I'll probably just rattle can them black and use them as, you know, spare fun tires. All right, I couldn't help myself. We gotta go drive the car. It's kind of drizzling right now. Weather's like decent, but it says it's gonna stop for a couple minutes, so I'm gonna try and squeeze in a little drive for you guys. Let's hop in the Z. It looks too good. I can't just let it sit here and not try it out. I haven't driven it actually yet, like fully, so this will be my first like full reaction driving the car. So let me hop in. It's light rain, you can see on the car, but yeah, no big deal. Let's get in, set up the cameras, get a little drive. All right, we're in the Z. I got like an hour left on both of these cards, so let's see how this goes. Key always starts. Said the clutch is OEM. The car is sitting at 133,000 miles. Oh, word. It's normal. Turn my lights on. It needs an oil change. He used to do it at 40,000 miles. Every 40,000. It's at 40,019 right now, so needs an oil change. CD transmission, little Bose audio thing right here. You can see. Chilling. I feel like I've grinded fifth twice now, so it might be me and it might be the car, but nah, it's definitely me. Yeah, it's me. Yeah, see, be hitting it. My foot all the way in before I hit the clutch. It might be my seating position too. I have to move around. Yeah, it feels good. Second gear, let's give it a little hit. We'll give it a little 40 roll. I'll do it from third. No, I'll do it from second. Let me just shift down. Ready? Out to this car. Oh shit. Oh shit! Nah, this thing is insane. And it's got a little shift light too. I never saw that. Woo! Holy crap! Oh shit! Nah, this thing is insane. And it's got a little shift light too. I never saw that. This is crazy. Oh shit, it's spin third. It's probably the rain, but we're spinning third. Nasty, I love this thing. Wanted, and I do have a Z1 package. I'll show you guys on the screen. I got Z1, I have a front skid plate from Z1. I have the arms in the rear, traction and camber arms are Z1, and then I have a Z1 diff brace in the rear as well. So this thing's pretty planted. And then I got the RPF ones with the car as well. So it's not too bad, and it was well maintained. RGZ actually was like maintaining the car for most of its life since he got it at like I think 100,000 miles. It's at 130, so the last 30,000 miles RGZ in North Carolina were taking care of my car. Well, this car, my car, yeah, it's my car. Quiet it down, get her in the neighborhood. Truck's open, clean. So this is the little HR that was making all the noise just now. As you can see, the HR motor, 2 intakes. I'm going to be doing the long tubes, of course, that come around to the front here. You can see the Z1 skid plate under there. Just chilling there, so that'll be good when I take it to the track. I already have a skid plate. It looks track ready, but this is far from it. I have some work to do to get it track ready, but she's sitting here nice. Let's see if since she's hot, if we can get any flames out of it. But it's stock tuned, like I said, so let's see. Definitely not. That's what it sounds like right now. Wonderful. The Symphony. So yeah, that's basically the car, guys. I'm really excited for this thing. I got a lot of plans for it. We got a lot of stuff happening that, you know, it's just, I can't really talk about right now, and it's gonna happen, but you know, just stay tuned. Just stay tuned. I'm begging you, stay tuned. Like I said, again, thank you for the subscribing. Thank you for the commenting. I need you guys to continue doing that. That is essential for us growing. Like, we're getting bigger, and it's I love it. It's great. So keep doing what you're doing. I love you. Peace out. Catch you in the next video.